All the ingredients laid out. It's impossible to have too much olive oil.
What?
It's impossible to have too much olive oil.
Mix up rice, this tomato, a little bit of salt here, and parmesan. And try to taste every time. You know, we want the right quantity of salt. You know, rice is a flat food. You know, taste is zero level. Try to get something tasty out of it. Okay, the both sides.
Making some arancini. Arancini. Mix it up, make it into a ball.
Yeah. Make it flat, or like.
Put like 2 or 3 of these cheese into, make it circular. Roll it up. Chop the meat up some. I have the big hunks. Break the meat up. Or else we're not going to have a chance to taste it. Beautiful day in Italy. In a higher elevation. Good job, Troncoso. Is that how you say it? Roll it up. Use your hands and make it into a ball. Roll it into a ball.
Oh, it's rice. We're making rice.
That's arancinis.
How many?
Where is the lamb sauce?
I'm not making you lamb. Put lamb sauce.
Yeah, that's just put 4. Guys, just put 4 in a circle.